how to remove instant from your Instagram app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove instant from your Instagram app. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as content preferences. So just tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the content preferences, here you'll see the option labeled as hide instant from inbox option. So here you can just toggle off this option, but here due to some reason the option is not available here. But if you see the option there, you can just tap on it and toggle it on. And here with that, you can just go back to your main settings page as well, and from there you can simply scroll up and tap on notifications. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, there you'll see instant button if your Instagram account have one, and there you can simply tap on it, and in that section you can just select instance to off, and it will remove instant option from your Instagram app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.